Strange sounds in space are being heard by scientists who are trying to understand their origins. These sounds are coming from various planets and stars, which are producing them due to their gravitational and atmospheric pressures. Scientists have used special equipment to study these sounds, which can capture the different frequencies being produced in space. By studying these sounds, we can learn more about space and uncover new mysteries, such as the sounds of solar winds, black holes, and even the remnants of the Big Bang. This research can also help us better understand the universe and its many wonders.